Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set the GPZ 7000 for salty settings. This is a salt flat, so you will not get any more salty ground than this. What we're going to be doing is we're going to show you what settings to use in here. I'm going to be putting some nuggets that I've got in here, just a tiny little nugget to see if we can ping it on the top and how sensitive we can be. I'll show you how to get rid of all the noise from your detector. Crazy. And actually how to do that, and you'll be able to see what the nuggets sound like at what depths on what settings. So hang around guys, we'll show you all of that. So guys, in this video, what we actually did is I come out here and I struggled like hell trying to get the right settings. I played with the threshold, I played with the ground type, the sensitivity. I did a whole bunch of things and I could just not calibrate this GPZ 7000. It was just so noisy. But guys, in the end, basically I found the settings in here, how to get the salt settings on the 7000. And it was just literally one push of a button that you need to know how to do. So we'll be showing you that, plus we'll be showing you what it sounds like with the nuggets. Now there are a bunch of settings to this. What I'm going to do is actually a salt setting. So, and you can see that's like 1,000 times better, right? I can move my detector around and I'm not having wow, 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 wow the whole way through. So now that we've got that sorted out, let's come see what the nuggets are. Okay, so in here guys, I have a tiny little nugget. Now we did just do a bunch of tests with this with the drag coil. So if you'd like to see a video on the drag coil on here, check the description below. But what I want to do now is I want to get the 7000 and actually come after that and be able to really have a look at it. So first test, I'm going to put a little nugget like this, just a small nugget like that. So I'm going to just test this small little nugget and see if we can't pick that up. What we're going to do is I'm just going to put this that little nugget in this plastic container and I'll put it in here. Now I don't have to put dirt over the top. I've done a bunch of these tests now with the drag coil and other coils. The air gap in here is the same as soil. I've tried it in a bunch of different soils, particularly this one already. So that's about the same depth as the bottle itself. So if we hold the bottle on its upright, it's probably like 100 mil or something in the ground, which is probably where you'd find little nuggets like that. Let's see how we go for the 7000 on the salt setting, can pick that up. But I mean, just making that change to 7000, you know, I can just detect on here, which there's no way I could do that before. That's it there. Now I'll just put it up a bit closer to the surface. So let's say it was like this way, so maybe only like 100 mil from the surface. What would it sound like? Much better. And that's a tiny, tiny, tiny nugget in super sensitive ground. So one I had flush, which was the second test. In the first test, I had it about that deep, okay? So probably about twice the distance. I can just hear it, that tiny nugget at like, you know, the depth of the bottle that way. But I can definitely ping it all day long, same as the ground. Yeah, that's how you set up your 7000 all ready to go for the salt flats. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and test out some signal that Marcus has got with the drag coil and see if I can't pick up some bigger nuggets. So if you like to see that guys, make sure you check out this video, it'll take you straight there. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, or just guys, even if you like this video, if you've learned something or it's given you value in any way, that would help us out and hopefully keep you notified of any other videos that we create that can help you on your prospecting journey.